Step into a world of roaring engines, raw steel, and unstoppable power. These massive machines are built to conquer the toughest jobs with incredible precision and force. Every moment is a breathtaking display of mechanical mastery. Let's begin. The John Deere 1270G isn't just a logging machine, it's a steel beast ruling deep forests with terrifying precision. Its CH7 boom stretches nearly 38.4 feet through dense timber, while the cutting head devours trees up to 28 inches thick in seconds, turning massive trunks into perfectly processed logs before the dust even settles. The sawyer steps back as the giant finally collapses. The massive cedar crashes through the forest like a falling skyscraper, shaking the ground and echoing across the centuries-old wilderness. The V8-powered hot saw slices through a 30-inch log in under 2 seconds, exploding with terrifying speed and raw power. The power of steel never sleeps. Subscribe to Iron Engine and experience the world's toughest machines in action. Climbing and topping a 200-foot Douglas fir split at the base and leaning toward a major highway is the kind of job that looks almost impossible. The tree had to be removed piece by piece to protect nearby timber and traffic below. It took forever for the top branches to hit the ground, proving just how terrifyingly high this climber really was. Absolutely unbelievable. When people think of a true lumber-cutting monster, the Wood Miser LT70 stands at the top. Powered by a brutal 4.2 horsepower turbo diesel engine, this legendary beast slices through massive 4.1-inch logs with jaw-dropping speed and razor-sharp precision, turning giant timber into perfect boards like a machine built for industrial warfare. Watch this highly skilled helicopter saw pilot weave through dense treetops with unbelievable precision, slicing away dangerous branches hanging near power lines. Few things are more impressive than witnessing the perfect balance of raw aerial power and razor-sharp control in this breathtaking tree-cutting operation. Comment 1 if you'd dare operate these giant machines, or 2 if you'd run the second the engine starts. The Logsett 8 HGTE hybrid looks like a steel monster sent straight from the future, powered by a 7.4 LAGCO diesel engine and an advanced electric hybrid system. It unleashes up to 422 horsepower and a brutal 1,313 feet-pounds of torque. Weighing over 50,000 pounds, this beast tears through dense forests while handling multiple operations at once without losing power or precision. And this right here is exactly why hard hats matter in logging. Oh my God, is that tree actually flying? Or did a helicopter just yank it straight into the sky? That looks absolutely insane. That's dangerous. This excavator-mounted tree cutter looks like a mechanical beast tearing through an overgrown forest. Its massive hydraulic arm and razor-sharp cutting head slice through thick branches high above the ground in seconds. Instead of risking workers climbing dangerous trees, this monster clears dense vegetation faster, safer, and with almost terrifying precision. This overloaded logging truck looked unstoppable until the muddy road turned into a giant trap, hauling tens of thousands of pounds of timber. Even a full-power bulldozer struggled against the crushing weight and brutal suction, turning the rescue into a savage battle between steel and swamp. Like the video if you respect the skill behind these massive machines, and join Iron Engine for more unbelievable action. The KX280 may look compact, but it bites through trees like a true hydraulic monster. Mounted on an excavator arm, its powerful rotating cutter grabs and slices through trunks in seconds with terrifying precision, turning dense roadside brush and tangled vegetation into a perfectly cleared work zone almost instantly. And if you're wondering how massive stumps get removed, this is the fast and brutal solution. The Hurricane stump grinder looks more like a ground-devouring monster than a normal forestry machine. Its giant high-speed cutting wheel and powerful hydraulic system shred huge tree stumps into flying wood chips within minutes. The Peterson 5710D is an absolute wood-devouring monster, powered by a brutal 1,000-plus horsepower engine. This beast swallows massive tree trunks with explosive force, launching wood chips high into the air. Its thunderous grinding roar, shaking ground, and unstoppable feed system make it look like the machine is chewing entire trees into dust within seconds. Imagine wrestling tons of timber across a road twisted like a crumpled napkin. Every corner feels like a gamble. Every mile pushes the truck to its limits. One wrong move could send everything sliding, and that's exactly what makes this haul so intense and nerve-wracking. What could this single piece of wood become? With a few grinding tools and incredibly skilled hands, this rough log is about to transform into something truly unbelievable. At one of the largest sawmills in the UK, the power hand log handler moves giant timber with the precision of a machine built for non-stop industrial power. Its massive hydraulic grapple grabs huge logs in seconds, stacking and feeding tons of wood faster than entire crews could manage manually. I've got one question. Why do loggers always drop their chainsaws so close to the stump where they can get crushed? Are you ready for chaos? We take you inside the most dangerous logging accidents ever recorded: massive machines, split-second mistakes, and heart-pounding moments. His first instinct: don't scream, don't move, just hit record and capture everything. Wow. Danger is inches away. Witness the raw, terrifying power of industrial wood saws. Hit like and subscribe to catch the most heart-stopping moments every single day. Look at that size, absolutely massive. The reliable Ponzi Ergo is tough, but tackling a giant like this with a small cutting head feels like the wrong tool. A larger saw or even a full professional logging crew would make far more sense for a job this extreme. Anyone in logging knows how fast things go bad in snow and mud. When the differential lock fails on a steep grade, the only way forward is often unloading weight. At that point, you just hope no critical components are damaged inside, because one hidden failure can shut the entire operation down instantly. Drop a 1 in the comments if you think this logging truck is absolutely insane. No safety gear in sight, just balance, raw strength, and a roaring chainsaw. One wrong step, and you're down. Without a harness, gravity wins every time. That's exactly why professionals never skip safety lines, because in logging, 1 second of control can mean everything. A top contender for the Darwin Awards, possibly the worst unloading strategy ever attempted, a true disaster in the making. That sharp crack of splitting wood music to some ears. Powerful, fast, and incredibly satisfying. Way better than digging by hand, saving hours of back-breaking effort in seconds. Cutting near power lines is extremely dangerous. Fresh wood conducts electricity. Get too close, and current can arc through the trunk, causing shock, sparks, or snapped lines. Always keep at least 10-15 feet away and call trained professionals to handle the job safely. Most people don't realize how dangerous log hauling really is. It's a high-risk run where every mile can turn into a life-or-death gamble. I'm speechless. It doesn't get tougher than this. Watching this truck crawl inch by inch through the rugged Sierra de Durango shows just how brutal logging life in Mexico truly is. A nightmare cleanup after the storm, fallen trees everywhere, danger at every step. Yet pros step in, chainsaws roaring, controlling chaos like it's just another day on the job. Watch how fast that wood chipper grabs the rope, blink, and it's gone. Anyone working nearby needs to see this. Real-world moments like this hit harder than any manual, showing just how unforgiving powerful machines can be in seconds. Drop a 3 in the comments if you think this wood chipper is insanely fast and dangerously powerful. A perfect physics lesson in tree felling: clean notch, drilled hinge, and a precise trigger hold. Every step matters. Watching a true professional at work is fascinating. This is how skill and confidence bring down a tree with total control. Look at the sheer size of those logs being loaded. Stacking that much timber is a massive task after harvest. Every inch of the trailer is pushed to its limit, maximizing payload like a well-planned operation in full motion. Massive Douglas fir logs, freshly harvested, arrive at Hull Oaks Lumber Company, one of America's last steam-powered mills. It's incredible watching these giants float in ponds, preserved just like in the 1800s, keeping a century-old tradition alive with every single load. Hull Oaks is one of the last places where massive Douglas fir logs, some stretching up to 80 feet, are cut using powerful steam-driven equipment. It's a rare, living piece of American industrial history, still turning out high-quality lumber with timeless, self-powered precision. I'm nervous just watching this. That move definitely isn't in today's operator manuals. Bold, risky, and unforgettable. Once those rollers clamp the log, there's no stopping that spinning force. The powerful New Holland tractor is there for a reason. It takes full horsepower just to keep the chipper running. You can feel the unstoppable danger radiating from that machine. It takes pure skill to keep it moving. Momentum is everything. Shifting gears on a dirt hill with a 40-ton load behind you is an art only the best drivers truly master. This isn't a road, it's a mud swamp. Ruts sink nearly 3 feet deep. If that differential isn't locked in, there's almost no chance this rig powers through alive. A crew of 10 with machetes would take all day to clear that 50-foot slope. This machine? It tears through it in just 5 minutes. Pure power, speed, and efficiency in action. Incredible, this process runs so smoothly. Thick bark is instantly crushed by that fast-spinning, powerful drum, leaving the wood perfectly prepped and ready for the next stage of production. One tiny mistake and a normal day in the woods can spiral fast. Out here, every move matters, and even a split-second lapse can turn routine work into a dangerous situation in no time.
It's alright, it's gonna be documented.
This tool is incredible. Instead of burning or hauling debris away, it turns it into organic mulch right on the forest floor. That on-site mulching process is fast, efficient, and a smart, sustainable way to protect soil health and reduce waste in one smooth operation. The TN130D Pro diesel chipper delivers serious power. Its 2235 HP engine and high torque chew through hardwood branches up to 5 inches thick. Inside, a heavy-duty drum or steel blade disc shreds material into clean wood chips in seconds, turning tough debris into fast, usable output. Here's the Split Force 13/20T log splitter, equipped with an automatic conveyor that lifts split wood straight into a truck or storage cage. No bending, no heavy lifting. This smart setup lets one operator do the work of 3, boosting speed, efficiency, and reducing physical strain on every load. Meanwhile, a mini loader's root grapple proves simple tools still win. Reinforced teeth and strong leverage dig under roots, lifting them clean while minimizing ground damage. Here's what happens with a tree pulling attachment. Hardened steel jaws clamp tight around the trunk, then hydraulic force lifts or yanks the entire tree out, roots and all. The result is immediate. A clean, level surface with no stump grinding or follow-up work needed, making land clearing faster and far more efficient. The legendary ZIL 131 joins the action. Built for brutal wilderness, this rugged truck hauls massive timber loads through deep mud and unforgiving terrain, powering forward where others would stall, proving its raw strength, reliability, and off-road dominance every mile of the journey.